Like, you built it. You deserve to drive it. He fell off. He went all the way up and fell off right here.
That's his top tire mark.
That's his mark. And he was still on the
But
floor.
when he walked in here, it was the highest that anyone's
Ever.
ever gone.
Bryce, what do you got to say?
Say we're gonna get this, man, if we don't mess it up.
Turn your wheels.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Good, you?
Good, congrats. Going right.
We're going to start with the third place machine. I want you guys to come over on this side of the ramp as I call your name. So, third place, Jim with 344. Jim. Where's Jim at? We got Jim somewhere there? Jim, come on over here. Stand right there, Chad. The Anarchy Bunch, get right here. We're going to get your view, Jim. Right there. This is third place, Jim. 344, third place, right there. Okay. Then next, Tim, second place, 352. Okay. And first place, 2026 Moab Red Rock competition by Anarchy Off-Road is Bryce with 470. 470.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody line up on the other side.
Hell yeah.
You know how much that trophy cost?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
Proud dad moment though.
470.
470? Nice.
55 inches, somewhere in there.
Right on, man.
Thanks.